New York City dunyodagi eng mashhur shahar, lekin ko'pchilik bilmaydi, shu yerda eng baland nuqta bor, Mount Marcy. 1629 metr bo'lib, juda ham baland ko'rinmasligi mumkin, lekin unga chiqish uchun 16 kilometr yo'l bosildi. Daji yo'lda professional jihozlarsiz davom etmaydigan ogohlantirish. Snow, ice conditions, muz ustidan sirg'anib tushish, ko'llarda sakrab o'tish, qorong'u o'rmon ichida yo'qolib qolish, qora ayu ogohlantirish, and of course having fun. This video you will see Uzbek mentality and what we face. And let's start by leaving New York City. The plan is already Brooklyndan Tog'on yo'liga 5 soatli yo'l bosdi. O'zi plan bo'yicha sirazi boshlash edi, lekin biz yulduzlarni rasmga olib, ovqatlanib, dam olib vaqt yutqazdik. Bu o'zi planimizni vashga o'zgartirib yubordi. This is our view so far. Sunrise ham kelib qoldi. Уже mile 2 ga yaqinlashib qo'yganimizda sunrise bo'lib qoldi. Chunki bir xil kech chiqdi. Shotga keldi, уже quyosh ham yo'ldan chiqib bo'ldi. And then we're going to continue. Chunki 4 miledami, 3 qanchadirda waterfall bor. It's not that big. Lekin baribir waterfall suvni oldida. Soat 6:24. И hali Sharshadaga где-то I believe 0.6 miles or 0.8. Recording myself, gang. Later, we find a little hut here with bitta kitobcha bor ekan. Bu kabinda oddiy daftar emas. Bu kelgan odamlarning tarixi va botga registratsiya qilib qo'yish kerak. Sana, nechta odam kelgani, planlaringiz, kommentlar, ili hikoyalar bo'lsa, and of course, botda qoidalarini. Yoshibda odamlar bor. Yeah, we'll skip these places. Let's read that. Forever, what?
Eternalize in this notebook to show our bond of friendship, symbol of youth, and the freedom that comes in life.
Wow.
Is that good?
Yeah. 3.5 miles. Yurishni boshladi. Manzarani qarang. Mashalloh. Botda qora ayollar ko'p deb yozilgan. Bonisiga endi bahor keldi va ayollarning sezoni boshlandi. O'zi qorni och va uyqudan turgan bo'lsa, ish qilib abed bo'lib qolmaylu deb yurdi. Mashallah. Different view. Aramızda da cabin'le ham chiqyapti.
Let's check it out.
I guess we can. 1977. Staff residence. Oh. I see some stuff. Is that a ski?
No way, people like skis.
Staff only, bro. We're not staff, gang. I think there's camping usually at summer. I can see they're hanging stuff here. Cut wood here. That's their bathroom right there.
You know
We're just 14th mile. We found another place. John's Brook Lodge, built 1925. Holy! But we're not hungry, are we? I'm not hungry. Oh, they got benches over here. What do you mean? They got my name here, bro. They put purposely for me. So far we're playing games. We're playing Durak, of course. Always have to. Yo, one game, we're out. Hozir mile 4.5. Где-то Mount Marcy, New York eng baland joyi. Unga где-то 3 milecha qoldi. Inshaalloh. Bundan keyin qolgan oson bo'ladi. Inshaalloh. That's like a shit. Wow. Ready, bro? Woo! Mile 5. Finally, we're getting some elevation. Like wow. Mashallah. Qaraylar, shundan tepaga chiqib ketishdi. Hozir mile 5.6. Pastda waterfall bor ekan. Ishsiz bo'ladi. O'sha 200 feet ekan. O'shancha oldiga o'tamiz. Ko'rib kelamiz. Mana manzarani qarang. Mashallah. Yana ozgincha like 100 feet left down there. Tushib inshallah ko'rsamiz. Yo, look at this. Mashallah. Yo, men boshida rasmni ko'rganimda xayolimda 6 feet bo'lsa kerak. Bashcha chiroyli bor. Yo. Cross only, bro. Hozir mile 6 ketyapti. Oltini boshlab oldi. Undan keyin qolgan inshaalloh oson bo'lib ketadi. Soat 9:30. Oh, bro. Короче, hozir yo'lda problem uchratib qoldim. Men o't bo'limda qo'yilib uchib tiqilib qoldi. Throw it. It's fine, bro. So far, it's been 7 miles, and we have 2.8 miles from Mount Marcy. And then we have some missing people behind us who are left behind, unfortunately. But it is what it is, bro. Короче, ikkita odamimiz orqada qolib ketgan. Yo, whistle. Orqada ikkita odamimiz qolib ketgan. Polniy mash archalar orasida tepaga qarab chiqirish kerak. O'zi u ana tepa o'chini ko'rasiz. U Little Mercy. Demak, Mount Mercy, the big one, is bigger than this one. Look at us. Oh my god. Yo, gnomik uyga chiqib qolganini qaranglar. Yo, where'd you come up from? Behind? Oh no. This is not good. Yo, we're professionals. We got this. This is mile 8. Yana dalshi 2 mile qoldi. Now it all makes sense. Trail вообще tikib yotibdi. Shuning uchun pastda kerakli jihozlar bo'lmasa, davom etma degan ogohlantirish bor ekan. Bizni ko'rib tushundik. Mana qaraylar, voy. Ayniqsa sirpanib tushyapmiz bor-ku. Hozir bitta sirpanadi hozir. Sirpanib. Давай. Olmaydi qachq. Oh, yoy. Nihoyat kelishdi bor-ku. Ayolimiz yo'qolib qolishdi. Borilib ketdi. Давай. Yo, we out, bro. Ketdi. Yo. Mashta chiqdi bor-ku.
How much miles, Jack?
0.8, no, minimum. 0.5 miles left.
They couldn't make it, sadly. The wolves got him.
Just 3 of us. Damn. Just 3 of us. 3 musketeers, nigga. 3 niggas.
Yo, we're not at the summit yet, bro. See, like,
Yo, Korsila bala. Oh, no. That's our peak right there. Let's just run through, bro. Run through? Mana qaranglar. Umuman qorlar vash yaxlab yotibdi. Oddiy etiydi. Mana oddiy krossovkada. Mana ham yuguradigan oyoq kiyimda. Lekin tepasiga chiqdik. New-York. Endi oxirigacha basu. Bashacha qoldi. No, azgacha qoldi. New-York eng cho'qqisiga ko'rasizlar. Conquers. conquest together, brother. Whoa, Harrison, New York. This is it. This is it. We have to touch it all together. 3, 2, 1. We've made it. Yo, my mom gonna kill me. Yo, my mom gonna kill me. Oh, Lord. Yo, yo, yo. Yo. Anta sırpalı, poli sırpalı. Ketamiz ya. Şu zor yo'li. See?
It's shitty. Oh, from that. Like that.
Wow. This was my go-to axe. Oh, it was nice. But on God, we were so tired. Yuraveramiz, charchagan. Motivatsiya faqat uyga yetib borish edi. Bu ham biz birinchi mashinaga yetib borish kerak. Qorin och, video olishga ham даже energiya ham qolmadi. Cheese and bread.
Cheeseburger.
We finished the pickles. We even have meat. We even have a stove in this backpack. Lekin vaqt yo'q qilishga hamburgerni. Shuning uchun sir bilan non yeb qo'yamiz. Behind.
I think we're 50%.
This guy looks like a guy, bro. Looks like, what the hell is this, bro? Look, he looks like he's doing some guitar, bro. Mile 14. Long way home. Wait. Mile 15. Mile 16. 17 mile bo'ldi. И где-то 3,5 mile qoldi mashinagacha. Уже maghrib time. And inshallah we'll get there by night time, right? Qorong'iligini qaranglar, уже 18 mile bo'ldi. Hoy, oyim ko'rsiz bu videoni o'ldiradi lekin bor. Unfortunately, yo'qolib qoldi deb yurdi u qorong'ida. Yugurishni boshladi, daraxtlarni ayoliga o'xshatib, zato mashinada uxlab ketdi. I just got home. Oh my god. Like and follow or become dinner for this big ass bear.